Hi guys, welcome to Friday's IPC lesson. Today you can choose an activity. So you can choose to put the finishing touches to your mythical creature that you drew or made yesterday. You can spend the time to perfect the English sentences for your myth that you have been doing in English. Or you can watch some more Greek myths so that you know some more stories. Or number 4, you can choose to decorate a Greek pot. Greek vases are very famous, and here let me just show you some examples. Around the Greek pot, often it shows a story. So here you can see the horse with the Greek soldier on it, and they are going into battle. And here you can see the helmets and the coins around the edge that you might want to include. Again, this is just a pattern. This is just a pattern, but it's using this light brown and the black. Again, here are the characters around the edge. So it went round. The story goes all the way around telling the story. And then at the top you've got dark brown, and at the bottom you've got dark brown, and in the thick bit of the vase you've got these little characters telling the story and a pattern round there. So you've got this sort of light tan brown and the dark brown. That's very iconic Greek vase. Here it's added a little bit of red onto it as well, but again this sort of tan colour and the dark brown with a repeating pattern, geometrical pattern. If you were in the social studies at the beginning of the year, we did some geometrical patterns, so using different shapes, repeating shapes to make your pattern. Oh, that's a funny one, isn't it? It's turned into a face, but around the top here it's got that. Here are some old vases in their setting. And here again, the Greek vases round here. If you've seen the cartoon film of Hercules, often the story is then told in the Greek pot figures. So these are very sort of iconic, the way that they are drawn. Again here, look, this sort of skinny-legged horse and the skinny legs and arms of the people. Look, this guy is on a chariot as well. So, and again the colours, if you go through, look, the colours are similar, this sort of pottery colour, and then added on the dark brown on top, with a little bit maybe of red, yellow. Don't use colours like blue or pink, or you're using these similar sort of muted pottery colours. Okay, you can either print this out, I'll include it in the Google Classroom, or you can draw your own and you can decorate it. Look, this is the thick part, the middle part, which is where the story probably would be told. Okay, but remember, you don't need to do the pot. If you would rather choose one of those things to do, that's absolutely fine. If there's work you need to finish off, then that's fine too. Okay. Well done, guys. Bye for now.